Else, enable. I think make enable me to share
I've already
my
done
screen.
it. I've already done it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. We were at reserves.
Yeah. So tuendelee from there. So tulikuwa tunaweka hiyo figure ya reserves.
When do we put it?
Hapo kwa general reserves. Because it is not specified. Unaona umesema tu reserve fund. So tuweke tu hapo kwa general reserves. Then we have remained with liabilities, si ndio? So liabilities, they are saying members contribution. So when members contribute, that is to the business, it is what we call inaitwanga, it's a liability because hii ni pesa ya watu, si ni kweli?
Yes.
So we can let's go to the liabilities tuone kama tunaweza iweka wapi. So we have trade payables. We have trade payables. We have bank overdraft. So we can put it other current liabilities, si ndio?
Okay.
Because it's not specific. So we want to see whether it has balanced. Ipenda chini kabisa. So you can see, just enda juu kabisa. Juu kiasi. Juu tena. You see net assets. You see net assets. Net assets. You remember, who remembers how do we get the net assets?
You add fixed assets.
Yes.
Plus current
assets. You less.
And then you subtract
current liabilities.
Current liabilities, yes.
And they will be equal to the financed by. The financed by is the share capital and the long liabilities. Si ni ukweli?
Oh, yes.
So that is why you are seeing the figure, juu kidogo, the figure down there, that is total liabilities, which is 6, that is share capital plus long-term liabilities will always be equal to net assets. So that's why you are seeing 1285,867 is equals to 1285 uko chini. Is it balancing?
Yes, it is.
Balance kabisa. So ikisha balance now, it tells you are okay. So you are done with the balance sheet. So if songa juu kidogo, if maybe if this business, if this company was dealing with so many things, ingekuwa na vitu mingi, so lazima tungeweka hizo zote hapo. So zile ziko kama ilikuwa ina issue capital, ina issue shares nini, so tunachaza. So hii tunafanya kulingana with the information we have. And remember, all this information you get it from the audited financial accounts. So you go to the next column. Is there any question there? Hapo kwa balance sheet. And remember, the balance sheet must balance. Kama balance, hakuna kitu. Sasa hapo huwezi endelea. Hata yenyewe itakukataza. Unaona venye the way it is enjoyable. But the tax is very enjoyable. You just joke with figures.
Joke with figures.
Sidio? Joke tu na figures, unaona ina balance tu vizuri.
Okay.
And the good thing is You don't need to calculate anything. Wewe unatumia the audited financial accounts, una feed tu unamaliza.
Claire, do you have any question?
No.
Leo uko sawa?
Yeah.
Okay. Then hapo hapo tungejaza kama it is a trading company. So where tunachaza the stock analysis. So for example here haikuwa na stock analysis. So hatuwezi chaza, we just leave it blank. But nitatafuta the one that iko na and I will look for one company that has hizi vitu zote. At least we do it, muelewe hizo zote how they are done. So tunaweza enda the next column. Hiyo pia hatuna because this company haidili na hizo. So hii ni that is plant and machinery, investment deductions. Zero, unakumbuka zile nilikwambia the buildings, plant and machinery, zile ziko allowable. So if I'm also going to look for a company zenye iko na hizo allowable zote so that you can see the functionality of it. So for now hii haina. Then we go to the next.
In this part, this is where they like. I see government normally they circulate yearly like new
Rates
of capital. This is where you consult now the new, because it keeps on updating year after year.
Yeah, it keeps on changing. It's not constant. It changes every year. So you have to be lazima ukue focused, unaona the current rates zenye zina change. Because hata yenyewe KRA yenyewe it updates this Excel sheet yao in update yearly. So if you try to use the different zile rates za kitambo haiwezi kubali. For example, if you try to use Excel sheet ya last year to file for employment income, ile inaitwaje, ile relief itakukataza because previously imekuwa 13,000 and something, sasa ni 28,800. So they keep on everything they keep on updating.
Okay.
So the next one, so hiyo ni wear and tear on plant and machinery, and remember those are allowables. So for class A, B, C, D, whatever, if you remember in tax we learned that, but this one tutafanya yenye iko na wear and tear. So I'm also looking for a comprehensive company yenye tutafanya. Hii haina, iko very simple too. So that one, so ukishafanya the other one, ukishafanya hapo nitakupea summary. Ukishafanya hiyo plant and machinery, wear and tear, building zote, it will give you the summary here. So for example this one hatuwezi pata anything because hatuna. We go to the next. So hapa ndio nilisema about installment payment. So if the company is making a profit of more than 40,000, so you just make the 4 installments as venye tulisoma jana. So once you make the first installment you pay to KRA. Ukifika hapa unaweka ile payment registration number, unaweka the date you deposit and the amount paid. So hii ukishaweka inaenda kudeduct at the end of the period, at the end of kule mbele ita deduct the amount of if you are supposed to pay a tax of 40,000, now you pay less because you have already paid. Are we together there?
Come up again.
I'm saying, see, we said if a company is making a profit of more than 40,000, it should pay what we call installment tax, and it is normally paid in four installments. That's you pay per quarter. So the year normally has 4 quarters. Sino kweli? So you pay after 3 months, after 3 months, after 3 months. You saw we said in the first quarter, you pay 25%, but you should pay in the deadline of every 20th of the following month. So if it is for March, you are paying for the first quarter imeisha March, unafaa ulipe by 20th of April, that first installment tax. So at the end of the day, ukiziweka hapo zote, zinaenda kureduce the total tax pale mbele. You already you have paid, you are not going to double pay again. Sijui kama nimeeleza vizuri.
Yeah.
Karanja?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So hapa for this company, uliona ili make that 5,000. So that 5,000 is below 40,000. So hawakuwa na installment, but nitatafuta acquisition yenye iko na installment so that we can see the functionality. Then we go to the next.
Oh.
So hii ni withholding tax, details of tax withheld. So for the purpose of this, hapa sasa hapa ijazangwi. Kuna ukishajaza pale mbele, kuna mahali nitaonyesha mahali tunachaza withholding tax, then ukishajaza pale mbele inakuja ina populate hapa the withhold tax. So tukijaza huko mbele tutarudi kwa hii sheet muone how it is. Next. So hii ni mambo ya commercial vehicles. So if that is tax advance paid on commercial vehicles. For this one, haikuwa na commercial vehicle. Tunairuka tu tuende mbele. Iyo, so details of income tax paid. So unaona pale the other side, hapa sasa inakupea summary. Ukijaza the other side inakupea summary ya advance payment. That is, for example, we have said for commercial inakuja ina populate hapo automatically, and also for self assessment. For self assessment is the same as in installment tax paid. So ukishajaza pale mbele inakuja ina populate hapa. It gives you a summary. So it will take the advance, you add that, the self assessment inakupea the total figure hapo chini. So for this company haina. So tunaruka tunaenda the other side. So this one, it is particularly for the losses brought forward. So if you made a loss last year, you bring it forward hapa. So that's why we said you cannot carry losses in the next for 10 years. So if you carry losses for 10 years, to KRA it's questionable. So if you made a loss, you have to carry it forward here. Una carry forward the losses like that. So for a maximum period of 10 years. So if you this one is normally you feel the losses you make. Tuko pamoja hapo?
Okay.
So we go to the next. So this one is for partnership. So for example, you get that a company, it's a company of this one, and also it is in partnership with another company. So this is where you bring all the profits from the partner company. So hapa ndio utafeel. For this one haina, but hopefully tutapata an example that has a partnership. A company that is in partnership with another company. So this is where you feel. But sasa hii haina, we go next. So this is hii ndio inakupea summary of the whatever we have done. So hapo itakupea summary of you remember the profit we made, it was 35,323.96. So itakupea the summary. Then if for example exempt provincial included in profit, surplus on the loss account. Hizo kama ulikuwa nazo unaweka zote, adjusted profit hizo zote unaweka kutoka nyuma, hauweki hapa. This just gives you a summary. So inakupea summary. Hii yote ni summary ya kutoka huko nyuma. Ukishaweka data the other side, inakuja inajipopulate hapo. So for example, we go down. So you have seen the profit tulikuwa huko juu nayo imejileta hapo. So unaona the profit is there. Go down. Tena chini kidogo. Tena chini. But you rudi side. Tena chini. Unarudi juu tena. Yeah, rudi side ingine. Nataka rudi on the left. Yeah, hivyo. So you can see the tax liabilities 10,597.19. So if you take 30% of 35, we got 35 what? 35 clear?
30% of
30% of 35,323. I think that is what we got.
10,596.9.
What?
10,596.9.
So, okay. Have you taken Buchukua 35,323.96? Tuone kama inatupia the same exactly. 35,323.96. Itatupia ngapi?
$10,597. Yes, 0.19.
You see, automatically it calculates for you. So you don't need to take the 30%. So hii yenyewe tu inajipopulate. Tuko pamoja hadi hapo? Yeah. Hapo unaona tuko pamoja. It has already calculate yenyewe 10,597.19. That is the tax you are supposed to pay. But remember, hii kampuni pia iko na what you call withholding tax. Withholding tax, already it has been paid. So unaona, so meaning lazima tutaitoa hapa. So nataka turudi kwa what? Kwa KRA portal. Turudi kwa KRA portal.
Withholding tax.
Yes.
Okay.
Kwa ile ya Dream Team. Hapo. Songa juu sasa. So nataka ukuje, when you want to check the withholding tax, not there, withholding tax certificate is, you just come to certificate is. You see where certificate is are? Then you reprint withholding certificate. You will have to log in again because the session expired. 26, 31, 77, 88. Then that is hiyo the password is hiyo ni tofauti. Very different. Let me, yeah. You have to control V. Unasahau wingi haraka. That way, yeah.
think I'm so used to the mouse.
You are used to the mouse.
True.
We use
True.
shortcuts. Hiyo itaki mouse. 26.
6.
That one. 77. 88. So that is 171.
Hello, you're breaking.
Oh, sorry. 26.
26.
31. 77. 88. Okay. So that is 171.
All right.
Then, all right, you come to certificates. Reprint, yeah, consult. Just consult so that you get all the certificates. So you can see those are the, so the person that withhold hiyo tax yao ni Bank of Africa Kenya Limited. So hawa ndio wali withhold. So we are basically taking for last year only. So we shall take for 2021 only. So start downloading from hii ya mwisho huko 1111. That is a, you see where triple one is hapo chini.
Triple one.
Yes, chini yake the last one hapo. So huko mwisho hapo mwisho, songa mwisho hapo, that's where you download the certificates. So you click there. Yeah. So again, click the hiyo ingine so that we get all the certificates. So click on that also, then asonga chini. Hiyo ndio next. So hiyo ya songa chini tena. Umezifungua?
Yes.
Download zote kwanza.
Oh, okay.
Tudusha download mbili. Kuja hapo kwa KRA. Kenya Revenue Authority. Umetoa? Hello? Eve? Claire? Claire? Ama yangu ndio imepotea.